They carved homes into rocky mountains. They demanded miracles. And when Allah sent them a sign, a she-camel from a rock, they killed it. This is the tragic story of the nation of Thamud and Prophet Salih alayhi salam, a tale of arrogance, denial, and destruction. The Thamud lived after the people of Ad, in northern Arabia, in a region called Al-Hijr. They were gifted in architecture, building magnificent homes from stone cliffs. Allah gave them strength, luxury, and beauty, yet they turned to idols. To guide them, Allah sent Prophet Salih alayhi salam from among their own. Salih alayhi salam said, "O my people, worship Allah. You have no deity but Him." Surah Hud 61. But they replied, "O Salih, we had hopes in you. Are you now forbidding us from what our fathers worshipped?" Surah Hud 62. He warned them kindly, "Don't corrupt the earth after it has been set right." They challenged him, "Bring us a sign if you are truthful." So Allah gave them a miracle, a she-camel that emerged alive from a rock. Salih alayhi salam told them, "This is Allah's she-camel, a sign for you. Let her drink and do not harm her, or a punishment will seize you." Surah Ash-Shu'ara 155 to 156. The camel drank water one day, and they drank the next. But over time, they grew angry. A group of rebels plotted, and they killed the she-camel, striking her down despite Salih's warning. He cried, "Enjoy yourselves for 3 more days, then punishment will come." Surah Hud 65. On the 3rd day, a mighty cry and a terrible earthquake struck. Then the blast overtook them, and they were left lying lifeless in their homes. Surah Al-Araf 78. The proud and powerful were silenced. All that remained was dust, silence, and ruins carved into stone. Salih alayhi salam turned away, grieving, and said, "O my people, I delivered the message of my Lord to you and gave you sincere advice, but you do not love those who advise you." Surah Al-Araf 79. The story of Thamud teaches that miracles don't change hearts if arrogance remains. They were gifted, strong, and advanced, but they chose pride over submission. Today, the ruins of Al-Hijr still stand, a warning to all who reject truth. Qur'an says, "And we left a sign in it for people who fear the punishment." Surah Dhariyat 37.